Welcome to our data visualization. Our data visualization combines a dimensional reduction technique with a heat map and a variety of other tools. This allows us to add context to our dimensional reduction technique. Here in this data visualization, we show cells, and we show how the cells are separate from one another based off of the expression of genes. Here we see that these pain-sensing neurons here in this top right corner are separate from everything else, but we don't have a good idea for why they're separate. We'll go ahead and use a PCA transformation where we'll center our data. And now when we center our data, we get a much better view of what's going on. These pain-sensing neurons are separate up here because of these genes. One of these genes is a sodium channel. This is a valid target for us to go after if we want to target and stop chronic pain. But we still have a problem. These neurons aren't very separate from each other. So we'll go ahead and turn to another technique. Here we'll select genes based off of different gene families. Here we have a gene search, and we've already selected about 4 families. We'll go ahead and add one more. This is an acetylcholine gene. These are all of the genes that will be added when I press enter. And now we see we get a new dimensional reduction. We still have this cluster of points down here, so we can simply get rid of them to see how well this data separates. As I click, these neurons go ahead and are removed. And now we see that these cells are very well separate. Sodium channel 9A separates low threshold mechanosensing cells from everything else. But in addition to this, we can see that there's genes in here that aren't separating these cells. And that's due to their low expression. So now we can normalize over these genes, and now they play a much bigger role in our dimensional reduction, and we can see them much better. Here we'll go ahead and end on hierarchical clustering, and now you can see how these genes are related to each other and how they define different cell types. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.